everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. It's a January, it's cold, but we're going to start this year right, eating better. If we didn't do good enough this year, we're going to start with a roasted vegetable salad. It's a perfect side dish or meal as it is. We're going to top with a beautiful sheep feta. You can skip on cheese if you don't want, and some nuts for extra protein as well, and beautiful vegetables. I love roasted vegetables. This salad, kind of Middle East salad, we're going to use also spiced za'atar, and it's a beautiful spice with thyme and sesame seeds. I love it. It just gives so fragrant and little bit touch with our beans, and it's delicious. Also, for the perfect roasted vegetables, we always have 3 rules. Don't overcrowd your vegetables. Cut in similar pieces, not try to cut equal as possible, and also well seasoned. I often notice people afraid to add enough salt, but it's not delicious if not enough salt. The food is bland and it's not good. So I'm going to add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika, just tiny bit, not a lot. Gives beautiful color. I just love paprika. I love on roasted vegetables. I have so many recipes, and I will link below all my salads. I'm obsessed with salads, and in winter it's good idea to eat root vegetables. So we have plenty winter vegetables like carrots, onions as well, and cabbages with a little bit of asparagus as well. I would think about, it's a small head of cauliflower, and I'm using probably a good 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Another secret for good roasted vegetable, it's a high temperature. 400-425, it's ideal. And carrots and onions. And the same, plenty of olive oil, salt, black pepper, and a touch of paprika. A nice toast. And the same thing, stick it in the oven and probably for 15 minutes, and then we'll turn around and give it some flip for the vegetables. And I'm using lima beans frozen, they are fresh and frozen. So they not require of soaking, which is I love about. You can use any beans in this matter, and I'm going to cover a little bit with water, not a lot. Some bay leaves. Look how I have bay leaves from my tree. And a little bit of olive oil. I like to boil in a flavorful liquid. So some salt. And let's bring to boil. It will take about 20 minutes or so. It's not dried beans. It's good. I'll let. And we're going to dress these beans with beautiful acidic vinaigrette and with shallot. It's a beautiful, will bring out the flavor of this salad, will wake up all your palate. It's delicious. Add a little bit of Dijon mustard, about 2-3 teaspoons, black pepper, some salt, and lemon. I'm going to use 1.5 lemon, but we may need a little bit of red wine vinegar as well. We'll start with 1 lemon for now, and maybe 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar. A little bit of fresh dill, just tiny bit. I don't want dill overpower all dish, but a little bit is nice. No, I love especially the sumac, this acidity of the spice. I just love it. And now we're doing the last part to make nice dressing. Add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Add slowly while you're whisking. More olive oil. It's perfect. It's slightly acidic, and it's exactly what I want because it's a buttery sweetness of these beans. They can marry together and hold beautifully this acid. Now I'll give a nice toss. "15 minutes later, look how beautiful, nice. You see how beautiful these vegetables look, and they are roasted perfectly. I wish you can smell how delicious they are. And I hope you will make the salad soon. And don't forget, subscribe me and share with your friends, family. Cook from scratch, delicious, nutritious meal. Home, it's all about beautiful food. When I build salad, I always think about texture and color. And flavor, of course. So the color, as you see, so many different colors, and carrots and mushroom and asparagus, everything gives unique flavor. and umami flavor actually extra from mushroom, and the sweetness of caramelization from peppers and onions. Look how beautiful those peppers are. I didn't even want to cut them. They are great as it is. And now we're going to dress this with beautiful shallot and dill dressing. The flavor is fantastic. This salad is perfect, room temperature, warm. Really, you can use as a side dish or main dish. I hope I encourage you to make this healthy, delicious, nutritious salad and start new year with healthier habits. Bye, see you next time.